Hey, how's it going? Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good, thanks. Pretty good, thanks.
What's up? What's up?
Not much, just chilling. Not much, just chilling.
How was your day? How was your day?
It was fine, but I'm tired. It was fine, but I'm tired.
What time is it? What time is it?
It's almost 6. It's almost 6.
How's the weather? How's the weather? Nice and sunny today. Nice and sunny today.
Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well?
Not really. I went to bed too late. Not really. I went to bed too late.
Do you drink coffee in the morning? Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Always. I can't start my day without it. Always. I can't start my day without it.
What time do you usually wake up? What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7. I usually wake up at 7.
How long does it take you to get ready? How long does it take you to get ready?
It takes me about 20 minutes to get ready. It takes me about 20 minutes to get ready. Do you eat breakfast every day? Do you eat breakfast every day?
Not always. Sometimes I just grab a banana. Not always. Sometimes I just grab a banana.
Are you busy right now? Are you busy right now?
A little, but I can talk. A little, but I can talk. When's the meeting? When's the meeting?
It starts in 10 minutes. It starts in 10 minutes.
Can you help me with this file? Can you help me with this file?
Sure, send it over. Sure, send it over.
How's work going? How's work going?
Pretty good, but a bit stressful. Pretty good, but a bit stressful.
Did you finish the report? Did you finish the report?
Almost. I'll send it soon. Almost. I'll send it soon.
What do you want for lunch? What do you want for lunch?
I'm in the mood for sushi. I'm in the mood for sushi. Are you hungry? Are you hungry?
I'm starving. I'm starving.
Do you want to grab coffee after work? Do you want to grab coffee after work?
Sure, that sounds great. Sure, that sounds great.
How's your food? How's your food?
Delicious. You should try this. Delicious. You should try this.
Do you cook often? Do you cook often?
Not really. I'm usually too busy. Not really. I'm usually too busy.
How much is this? How much is this?
It's $5.99. It's $5.99.
Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. Yes, of course.
Do you have this in another color? Do you have this in another color?
Let me check for you. Let me check for you.
Can I try it on? Can I try it on?
Sure, fitting rooms are over there. Sure, fitting rooms are over there.
Is there a discount? Is there a discount?
Yes, it's 10% off today. Yes, it's 10% off today.
Did you get my message? Did you get my message?
Yes, I just saw it. Yes, I just saw it.
Can you call me later? Can you call me later?
Sure, I'll call you after work. Sure, I'll call you after work.
What's your number? What's your number?
It's 555-3047. It's 555-3047.
Are you free this weekend? Are you free this weekend?
I'm not sure yet. Let me check. I'm not sure yet. Let me check.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
I'm going to the gym. I'm going to the gym.
Are you coming tonight? Are you coming tonight?
Yes, I'll be there. Yes, I'll be there.
How do you get to work? How do you get to work?
I take the bus to work. I take the bus to work.
Do you like going to the gym? Do you like going to the gym?
Sometimes when I have energy. Sometimes when I have energy.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Spain. I'm from Spain.
Have you ever been abroad? Have you ever been abroad?
Yes, I went to Italy last year. Yes, I went to Italy last year.
How long are you staying? How long are you staying?
I'm here for 3 days. I'm here for 3 days.
How are you getting to the airport? How are you getting to the airport?
I'm taking a taxi. I'm taking a taxi.
Where are you staying? Where are you staying?
I'm staying in a small hotel near the beach. I'm staying in a small hotel near the beach. Are you home? Are you home?
Yes, just got back. Yes, just got back.
What are you watching? What are you watching?
A new show on Netflix. A new show on Netflix. Where's the remote? Where's the remote?
It's on the table. It's on the table. Can you help me with the dishes? Can you help me with the dishes?
Sure, give me a minute. Sure, give me a minute. What do you want for dinner? What do you want for dinner?
Let's order pizza tonight. Let's order pizza tonight.
How are you feeling today? How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great, thanks. I'm feeling great, thanks.
Are you tired? Are you tired?
A little. I need some rest. A little. I need some rest.
Do you like your job? Do you like your job?
Most days, yes. It depends on the day. Most days, yes. It depends on the day.
What do you think of this movie? What do you think of this movie?
It's good, but a bit too long. It's good, but a bit too long.
Do you like my new haircut? Do you like my new haircut?
Yeah, it looks great on you. Yeah, it looks great on you.
Do you like winter? Do you like winter?
Not really. It's too cold for me. Not really. It's too cold for me.